In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best magnetic screwdriver set in 2026. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best magnetic screwdriver set. Number 1, 42-in-1 magnetic screwdriver set, multi-bit ratcheting screwdriver repair toolkit with storage case for computer, eyeglasses, bicycle, watch, ring doorbell, furniture and DIY. 42-in-1 precision toolkit includes a wide variety of bits to handle electronics, household repairs, and DIY projects. Magnetic bit holder. Strong magnetic tip keeps bits and screws securely in place for precise, one-handed operation. Ratcheting screwdriver handle. Smooth forward/reverse ratcheting mechanism improves efficiency and reduces hand fatigue. Compact storage case. Organized, portable case keeps all bits and tools neatly stored in easy-to-carry. Wide application use. Perfect for computers, eyeglasses, watches, bicycles, ring doorbells, furniture assembly, and everyday DIY tasks. The 42-in-1 magnetic screwdriver set is a versatile, all-in-one repair toolkit designed for precision work and everyday fixes. Featuring a comfortable ratcheting screwdriver handle and a strong magnetic bit holder, this set makes fastening and loosening screws faster and more accurate. With 42 interchangeable bits neatly stored in a compact case, it's ideal for electronics, small devices, furniture assembly, and home DIY projects. Durable, portable, and easy to use, this screwdriver set is a must-have tool for homeowners, hobbyists, and professionals alike. Number 2, VMAN Ratchet Screwdriver Set, 66-in-1 magnetic screwdriver kit with S2 steel bits and flexible shaft for furniture assembly, electrical repairs, bicycle and DIY. 66-in-1 complete tool set includes a wide selection of precision and standard bits to handle furniture assembly, electronics, and DIY tasks. High-strength S2 steel bits. Durable, wear-resistant bits provide long-lasting performance and precise screw engagement. Magnetic ratcheting screwdriver. Strong magnetic bit holder with smooth forward/reverse ratchet for faster, easier work. A flexible extension shaft reaches tight, awkward spaces where straight screwdrivers can't, improving versatility. Multi-purpose DIY use. Ideal for furniture assembly, electrical appliance repair, bicycle maintenance, and home projects. The VMAN 66-in-1 ratchet screwdriver set is a versatile and durable toolkit designed for both precision repairs and everyday DIY jobs. Built with high-quality S2 steel bits and a magnetic ratcheting handle, it delivers reliable torque, accuracy, and comfort. The included flexible shaft makes it easy to work in confined or hard-to-reach areas, while the wide range of bits supports everything from electrical appliance repair to bicycle maintenance and furniture assembly. Compact and well-organized, this VMAN screwdriver set is an essential addition to any home or workshop. Number 3, 74-in-1 magnetic screwdriver set, ratcheting multi-bit screwdriver with detachable handle, repair toolkit for furniture, electronics, bicycle, computer and DIY. 74-in-1 all-in-one set. Large selection of precision and standard bits to cover household repairs, electronics, and DIY projects. Magnetic bit holder. Strong magnetic tip securely holds bits and screws for accurate, hassle-free operation. Ratcheting screwdriver mechanism. Smooth forward/reverse ratchet speeds up fastening while reducing hand fatigue. Detachable handle design. Handle separates easily for compact storage and flexible use in tight spaces. Wide application range. Ideal for furniture assembly, precision electronics repair, bicycles, computers, and everyday DIY tasks. The 74-in-1 magnetic screwdriver set is a versatile and practical repair tool kit designed for both precision work and general household use. Featuring a smooth ratcheting screwdriver with a detachable handle and strong magnetic bit holder, it makes tightening and loosening screws faster and more controlled. With 74 interchangeable bits neatly organized for easy access, this set is perfect for furniture assembly, electronics and computer repair, bicycle maintenance, and DIY. Number 4, 34-in-1 magnetic screwdriver set, DIY ratcheting multi-bit screwdriver kit with magnetic drive and handy repair tools for electronics, bicycles, furniture, computer and DIY. 34-in-1 versatile kit includes a wide variety of bits for electronics, household repairs, bicycle maintenance, and DIY projects. Magnetic drive bits. Strong magnetic tips hold screws securely for accurate, one-handed operation. Ratcheting screwdriver handle. Smooth forward/reverse ratcheting mechanism makes screwing easier and reduces hand fatigue. Compact and handy DSIG. Portable and organized set for convenient storage and easy access to all bits. Multi-purpose use. Ideal for computers, furniture assembly, bikes, small appliances, And everyday DIY repairs, the 34-in-1 magnetic screwdriver set is a compact and reliable toolkit. Designed for precision and general repair tasks. Equipped with magnetic drive bits and a ratcheting handle, it ensures fast, accurate screw fastening with minimal effort. Its portable design keeps all 34 bits neatly organized, making it perfect for electronics, bicycles, furniture assembly, computers, and DIY projects. Durable, versatile, and easy to use, this screwdriver set is a must-have for every home, workshop, or toolbox. Number 5. ATuMan 40-in-1 Magnetic Ratchet Screwdriver Set with Detachable Handle, 180 degrees rotating head, 45-tooth mechanism, magnetic toolkit with case for computers, electronics and DIY. 40-in-1 versatile set includes a wide range of precision and standard bits suitable for computers, electronics, and household DIY tasks. Magnetic ratchet screwdriver. Strong magnetic tip holds screws securely, making one-handed operation precise and easy. 180 degrees rotating ratchet head with 45-tooth mechanism allows smooth forward/reverse action and tight angle operation in confined spaces. Detachable handle design. Handle separates easily for compact storage and flexible usage in tight or awkward areas. Durable tool case. All bits in the screwdriver are neatly organized for portability and easy access. The ATuMan 40-in-1 Magnetic Ratchet Screwdriver Set is a versatile and durable toolkit designed for electronics repair, computer maintenance, and everyday DIY projects. Its magnetic ratchet screwdriver features a 180 degrees rotating head with a 45-tooth mechanism for smooth, precise operation even in tight spaces. The detachable handle adds flexibility and compact storage, while the included sturdy case keeps all 40 bits organized and ready for use. Perfect for home, office, or workshop, this set makes assembling, repairing, and adjusting tasks faster and easier.